Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into Old Harbor. We're going to take a tour of the town of Old Harbor. Now Old Harbor is the fastest growing town in Jamaica, and one of the main reasons for that is the PJ Patterson Highway, or Highway 2000. We are on the main road and we're in Old Harbor now. You're going to see a very developed town, and on the outskirts of Old Harbor is a lot of land. So Old Harbor has so much space for expansion. Now, let's go through why it's the fastest growing town in Jamaica. And I just want to point out, we say fastest growing town. So remember, Jamaica has two cities, Kingston and Montego Bay, and Portmore is a municipality. So those are not included. We're talking towns now. So Old Harbor has a lot of space around it. Now, Old Harbor used to be, it has always been a main town in Jamaica. When traveling on the south coast, you would leave Kingston, go through Spanish Town, and then the next main town would be Old Harbor. Then after Old Harbor, you have Maypen, then Mandeville, then Santa Cruz. That was the list of main towns on the south coast of Jamaica. So Spanish Town is a very old town. So Spanish Town is fully developed. It's been around for about 400 or 500 years. No more space in Spanish Town for this kind of expansion. Old Harbor now has a lot of room, has a lot of land for expansion. And one other thing that Old Harbor has, including the land, is it has a highway coming here. Highway 2000 has opened up Old Harbor for investment. Opened it up. That's why it's growing so fast. Thousands of homes have been built or are being built right by the highway, right in Old Harbor, in the town itself. And remember, there is an exit to Old Harbor, and that exit you can use without paying any additional toll. So if you're on Highway 2000 and you want to stop to get gas, you can go stop in Old Harbor and you don't pay any additional toll. You come off the highway, no toll. Get back on the highway, no toll. And that works in both directions when going from Kingston to Mobay and Mobay to Kingston. So that is a major plus for Old Harbor. And then you find that a lot of housing developments are going on because you can get from Kingston to Old Harbor in 20 minutes on a highway quality road. That means you don't have any traffic, you don't have any potholes, an easy drive. And the toll is not that expensive. It's in class 2, the toll I think is 800. So class 1, you're probably looking at 400, which is manageable. And you have the highway. So the homes are being built because the land around this town is cheap compared to other places. And remember, Spanish Town is the capital of St. Catherine, but Spanish Town has no more land for this major development. And Old Harbor has grown. It's very populated. The political candidate for Old Harbor won by one of the largest margins in politics. That is how many people are in this town. That's how fast the town is growing. The only other area in Jamaica that's growing this fast is probably Draxhall on the north coast in St. Ann. So we're going through the town itself, the center of the town, and this town has all the infrastructure. On the left is a tax office. You have numerous supermarkets. It's a major transportation hub. You have, if you turn left here, you go to access the highway. On the right is a police station. And this is the town center here. On the left, you have the NCB Bank and the BNS Bank. You have Jamaica National down here. And if you don't want to take the highway, you have it's probably about a half an hour drive from Spanish Town on Old Harbour Main Road down to Old Harbour. I'm not sure what's going on here, but there are a lot of police with some well, that looks like a special task force, probably going on a raid or something, because they are heavily armed. So this is the center of the town. There you see the clock. So if we turn left here, we would take Old Harbour. We go from Old Harbour to Maypen. Turn right, we go from Old Harbour to Spanish Town. The road that we're on, that's the road you would take to get to Highway 2000, and the road straight across takes you into some more residential areas. But the newer developments that are being built, the homes, are by the highway, so they would be behind us. I'd love to know how these cars on the left are coming out and we are on the green. And you talk about discipline on the roads. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.